Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. So, kids, do you know what we are going to do today? Do you know? No? Okay, then tell me which season is going on. अभी कौन सा season चल रहा है? जल्दी से बताओ. Yes, it's rainy season. So today we are going to do an activity on rainy season. Activity on rainy season. Okay?
Let's start with the activity. For this activity, we needed A4 size paper, different color of circles, scissor, straw, scale, pencil and fevistick. Now you have to fold this circle into half like this and then again fold it into 1/4 like this. So kids, like this you have to fold all the circles. First fold it into half and then in 1/4. Okay. Now I have folded all the circles like this. Now we are going to paste it. First paste all the circles between half. जितने भी सर्कल्स हमने हाफ फोल्ड किए थे उनको बीच में से हम पेस्ट कर देंगे. सबको आप एक साथ पेस्ट कर लोगे तो ये इजी रहेगा आपको स्टिक करने में. So kids, now we are going to paste all the circles on A4 size paper on the middle of A4 size paper. A4 size paper के middle में हम one by one एक एक सर्कल को स्टिक करते जाएंगे like this, like I am sticking it. Okay, one by one you have to paste all the circles. Look, I have pasted all the circles. Now I am going to open it and it will look like an umbrella. अभी किसकी शेप ले लेगा? एक umbrella की. So kids, now we are going to make umbrella sticks. So with the help of scale, I am going to draw a standing line. One standing line, and with the little distance, I am going to draw another standing line like this. Okay, two standing lines हम draw कर लेंगे. Then we have to make a little curve. हम यहाँ से एक छोटा सा curve बनाएंगे और यहाँ से भी एक curve बनाकर इसको हम join कर देंगे like this. Now what we have to do? We have to take a crayons and color the stick with brown color. So now you have to color into stick like this. Okay, color it. So this is our umbrella stick. Now we are going to draw some clouds over here. यहाँ पर हम कुछ clouds को draw करेंगे. Mama will help you to make clouds. Okay? So like this, you have to draw some clouds and color the clouds with light sky blue crayon. Okay? Kids, we have to color in same direction. Okay? एक ही direction में हमको color करना होता है. Crayon से जब भी हम color करते हैं, we have to follow same direction. So kids, our clouds are done. Now we are going to make a rain with the help of scale. अब यहाँ से हम कुछ lines को draw कर लेंगे like this, like this. And some from here. And some from here with the help of crayon like this. Okay, what is this? This is rain. You have to take a straw and I'm going to cut it into small pieces like this. We have to cut the straw into small pieces. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to stick it on the lines. अभी मैं इस पे glue apply करूँगी. ऐसे इसको मैं ऐसे stick कर दूँगी. Okay, apply some glue and stick it on the line. थोड़े थोड़े distance के बाद. Okay, we'll take some distance and then stick. I am applying
kids, like this we have to stick all the pieces of straw. So how do it looks like? It looks like a raindrops. Now I am going to make a splash. हम ऐसे दिखा देंगे जैसे पानी की बूंदें नीचे गिर रही हैं. Okay? Like that. So this is our rainy season activity. Now I am going to write it here. Rainy season. So kids, hope you all like today's activity, today's rainy season activity. Okay, so now you have to make this activity today. This is your today's work. This is our umbrella, a beautiful umbrella in rainy season. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.